Alright, so we have taken a screenshot of all of our attempts of our geography map, and now we're going to create a chart out of that. So I have emailed you the geography growth template. You're going to click on that, and you're going to edit, and you're going to make a copy. So you go to File, Make a Copy, and you're going to click, instead of copy of, you're going to put your last name and take out template and click OK. So now this will have, this is one that you can edit. So what we're going to do now is we can close out of the template, and we're going to go back into our email, and we're going to pull up those scores that we got again. So we go into Google Drive, and we're looking for what we saved with all attempts. And you can see here my image of, because I saved it correctly saying all attempts, I have my image here. So I'm going to pull this out, and I'm going to have two screens working. Like, one's going to be this information, and then the other one will be my chart. So using both of these, I'm going to plug in my chart, like my attempts, into this spreadsheet right here. So it's kind of tricky in that the first attempt up here is at the top, and then the first attempt of the screenshot is at the bottom. So beware of that. And you see here I have 11 trials or 11 attempts, and then there's only 8 here. You need to have a minimum of 5, but most people have much more. Students have many more attempts because you're practicing. It takes a while to get familiar with this. So you can just plug in more, and you're going to put in your information. So that first time I got 65 with 80 seconds. That second time it took me, got 75% right in 73 seconds, and I'm going to keep plugging in this information. Alright, so I plugged in all my information here, which means I'm done with this image, and I'm going to close it out. I'm going to make this bigger, and now I'm going to use the spreadsheet to make a chart. And Google Drive does a really cool thing where all you have to do is click Insert, Chart, and we're going to click this one called the Combo Chart. And that's how we're going to get the information we need. So you click Combo Chart, it should look like this, something similar. Click Insert, and we need to give this chart a title. So we're going to title it Geography Growth. And it says press enter to apply, so press enter, and then we save. We want to click the arrow in the top right of the chart. Okay, so I see here that it says geography growth. I have percent of countries identified correctly and how many seconds it took. And what we want to show here is that as we kept attempting, we were able to identify more countries correctly and do it faster. So that is making a chart of our geography growth.